Hello friend, I hope you have watched my previous tutorial and your preparation is going well. Today in this tutorial we will solve a problem which is from heat transfer and based on concept of conduction. So please note down this problem because it have asked in GATE 2014 and it is a very easy problem. So before going to solve this problem, first we understand what is given in the question and what we have to find. In the given question, there is a material P of thickness 1 mm is sandwiched between two steel slabs as shown in the figure. This is a material P and at both sides two steel slab is there. A heat flux of 10 kilowatt per meter square is supplied to one steel slab. Here heat flux, heat per unit area is given and it is supplied to one of steel slab, and boundary temperature of slab is indicated in the figure. T1 is 500 Kelvin and T2 is 316 Kelvin. Assume thermal conductivity of this steel is given, which is 10 watt per meter Kelvin, and heat conduction for the given configuration is considered one dimensional steady state, and the meaning of a steady state is temperature is not change with time. That means heat flow is constant with time, and we have to find the thermal conductivity of material P which have sandwich. So I hope you have understand this problem very well. Now let's go for the solution. Here suppose K is thermal conductivity of material P and thermal conductivity of steel is given. Length of sandwich material P is 1 mm and steel slab length is 20 mm. Here heat flux and boundary temperature T1 and value of T2 is also given in the question, and we know friend, by Fourier law of heat conduction, heat is directly proportional to cross sectional area and temperature gradient, and now heat transfer is equal to K into A into temperature gradient, and it can be written as dt divided by dx divided by Ka, and by comparing it with electrical network I is equal to V by R, we are getting thermal resistance is equal to dx by Ka, and now the total heat transfer for the given configuration is equal to change in temperature, that is change in boundary temperature divided by equivalent resistance, that is the sum of resistance of the both steel slab and the sandwich material P, and by using this relation we have written the total heat transfer for the given configuration, and the cross sectional area, that is A, is constant for all. So it have taken out and divided to the heat transfer, which give the flux, and the value of flux is given, which is 10 kilowatt per meter square, and it is equal to 10 into 10 to the power 3, and here boundary temperature difference is given, and the value of length is given in the mm. So first we convert it in meter and put it here, and after solving this equation we will get 40 plus 10 divided by K is equal to 140, and from here we can simply calculate the value of thermal conductivity of given material P, which is equal to 0.1 watt per meter Kelvin, and this is our final answer. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any doubt, feel free to ask in comment section. We try to solve as quick as possible. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Have a good day.